Okay, my friends, we're going to start. We're going to start. 10 minutes minimum. Sonia, no, what am I trying to say? No,
What are you trying to say?
Okay, start.
It's too high.
Yeah. On your marks, get set. Do you have a timer in your hand? Okay, hang on. Oh, you're gonna put the timer on the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? On your marks, get set, start the time. Dun, 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 dun. I've already gone. See, I already started. And I know he likes me to talk about what I'm doing, but you know what? It is what it is, my loves.
We've already done enough talking. Let's just
I know,
make
I've
a
already
card.
done enough talking. Just make the darn card. So we're coming over here. So you got to do all the cameras because I can't do cameras.
Got it. I got it.
Are you like busy doing anything right now?
Yeah.
Oh, the dog's looking up. She's trying to figure it out. Okay, so there we go. So this is the card base. Dun, 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 card base. Now we need some cardstock just to make the front. So we're going to trim that down. We're going to add the die there. I don't need to tape it down. We're going to run that through. And she really likes those baskets. She's in one right now. Okay, there we go. And then we're coming over here. Then we got this. Now we're going to add this to the front. Dude, you guys, fold-its are pretty dang easy. You have no trust in me. That's not what I'm trying to say. I don't know what the word is. Faith. Thank you. Oh, my word. How can I forget faith? I know, loser. Okay, so here we go. We are going to grab this. And I'm going to grab this because I want to do these together. Yes, I need adhesive on the back of this. So we're going to grab some 6x6 adhesive, hopefully. There's one.
And we do expect to see at least one stamp on this.
Okay, you bite me. That was not part of the requirements.
Yes, it's not a completed card without some kind of stamping and a
you're
sentiment.
You are such a punk.
Yeah, I saw one of your cards.
Hey. Somebody's got to design this stuff. And we're going to add that down. I mean, when was the last time I saw one of your cards, babe? Woo! Fighting words there, baby.
Oh,
Fighting words there.
All right.
Okay, there we go. Finally got him to be quiet for a second. Okay, so we're running this through on glitter paper. And this is like freakishly beautiful. I don't know where this came from. I mean, obviously it's Stamps of Life. But so here we have, oh my gosh, it's like almost blinding. You guys put your sunglasses on. So here we go. But I want something besides red to poke through there. So what I'm going to do, oh my gosh, look at those scraps. That looks like gold. I don't know, but that's amazing. So what we're going to do is we're just going to, let's see, what color do I want behind it? Oh, I know what I want. I want this. Look at that. Now, does this have adhesive on it? I don't think it does. So we're going to add, now, when you have a little piece like this that needs adhesive, here's a trick. Ready? We're going to peel this off. This is a big piece of adhesive. We're going to lay this down right there so it goes on the back, right? And then all of this, trim it right there. All of this is still sticky, right? So we're just going to put this kind of like back on. Now, you would do it better than me, but I'm in a hurry. Okay, there we go. So now this is all sticky. I'm just going to die cut the top. Got to take those out. We're just going to die cut the top because that's all we're going to focus on. But we need a... Oops, stay in there, baby. Cutting pad. So on that, on the diamond marquee, is that what this is called? I always forget. Grand marquee. You can use the smaller cutting pads, which is so handy. So now I'm going to trim this down a little bit because I just want this to be in the back. And so I'm just trimming on those chads. Oh my gosh, this is like blinding. I love it. And I'm going to trim this down too because I don't need that. And now we're going to start putting this baby together. So here we go. And I want this on the back. So we're going to peel this up first. And I always say use the pad of your finger, but I like never listen to myself because I always like to do my nail, which is dumb because it is way better to do the pad of your finger, but oh well. Where did she go? She's on your side now, baby. So I'm peeling this up. And she's got something bad. She's got something. You got to get her. Okay, so I'm adding this down. Just like that. Boom. And then we're going to add the whole enchilada. So let's do this one first. So we're going to peel this up. Now this is a little bit, I should have probably done it on cardstock. This is glitter paper. But we'll get it. Dun, dun, dun. Look at this. Oh, you can do it. There. Oh, one more little piece. Okay, there we go. So now this is going to get laid down right here. What's that sound? Honey bear, what's that sound? So we're going to just take an extra size. Is that far enough down? Is that far enough down? It needs to go further down. Darn it. Okay. So we're going to go further down, like right there. Oh my gosh, now she's into something else. See, you guys, now she's showing you her true colors. True colors shining through. Okay, and then we're going to add that. We're going to peel up the adhesive on the back of this one. There we go. So now we have those pretty little star. Oh, that's moving a little. Let's trim that a little. But you guys, seriously, I'm like, it's hard to look at almost, huh? Because it's so shiny. There we go. And we are going to add this right to the top, right? The little crooked. Little crooked. Oh gosh, you guys, I have this thing about it being crooked. It like drives me crazy. There we go. Right there. Much better. Press, press, press. There we go. Oh, I tore it a little. Yeah, don't use glitter paper. Use glitter cardstock. I'm not sure why I grabbed this one instead. There we go. Because that's really intricate. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we got to add the bottom. And I'm just going to use the bottom the same color because I'm in a hurry. And no one would ever notice that I use the same color, right? Oh, if I could only get the backing off. There we go. No, there. Oh, the dog just got banned to upstairs. Ken's taking her upstairs. Okay, so here we go. We're adding that right there. Well, crooked, totally crooked. Let's start it here. So, like, I don't even want to look at the time right now, you guys, but who cares? Oh, I forgot to do the candle. You know what? We're not doing a candle. Don't tell Ken. And I'm going to trim this right here. There we go. Actually, I wonder if we could lift this up just enough. Oh my gosh, it's like blinding, isn't it? Let's see if I could lift it up. I probably won't be able to. I can. I can. Go slow. Okay, so we're gonna add a candle, and I'm just gonna grab this, and I just want like some white. Here's some white. And we're going to just run this through. So we're going to run, hang on. What number am I at now, Ken?
I'm back. 7 minutes and 10 seconds.
Oh, wow. That is a bummer.
But the card is looking good. Looking good.
Okay, so here we go. We're grabbing the candle. Yanking the candle out. Sometimes that won't work. Let's grab a pokey tool. Pokey tool. There we go. Nope. Okay. So now, the paper is a little dirty. That's a bummer. We're going to add this candle. And normally I would totally add inking to it, but it is what it is. We're going to drop this here, this here, lay that back down. Look at that. That's pretty awesome. Now, because it has that little icky on it, it's going to drive me crazy, but we'll worry about that later. Now, what we're going to do is Ken is being rude and he's saying I have to do something on the inside.
Rude.
How rude you are. Let's see. Hang on. Okay. So we're going to get this and we're going to grab, let's get, oh, wow. That's fun. Let's do midnight. Okay, so we're going to grab midnight ink. Ink this baby up. Double check it on scrap because, didn't even get ink on that part. Oh, I'm not paying attention. I'm trying to save time. Okay, perfect. Ink up that baby again. We're going to stamp that right there. Not done yet. Stay tuned. And we're going to ink the other side because this is my personalized stamp. Stop. Oh, it didn't even see what happens when you don't pay attention and you just do the sides. I was trying to go fast and we got to like fudge that one. Oh, it still didn't work. What's wrong? Okay, hang on. We'll try it again. Because it's kind of, it's because it's not getting inked. Why is this pad? This pad's not, who's texting you? This pad is not, there we go. That was the pad, not me.
We're adding on.
There we go. Hug Stephanie. Stop. Did you stop it already?
Yeah, I stopped it.
Okay, good. Okay.
Then I have to add like 15 seconds.
Shut up.
Let's check out this card.
Okay, so what's the number? Oh, you're not going to show me the number. Oh, look how pretty that is.
Nice.
Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. So can you see the little stars up at the top that are cut out? That actually, just the glitter alone just changed my day, right? Look how pretty that is. I love that. Okay, so there is our card. Open it up. You light up every room. Whoa, that is so not. That's blurry. That's blurry. On my camera, is it not? Is it blurry? It's not blurry for you? Okay, my TV it is. And then this one says hug Stephanie, but a little messed up. But there we go. So let's see. Oh, Jane says very pretty. You know what? This, yeah, I could totally color the wick. But if it was really a 30-second card, I would absolutely positively would not. We have, let's just get a yellow pen. Ooh, what's this?
8 minutes and 40 seconds, Stephanie, if you want to know.
It could be worse.
8:40.
It could be worse. It really could be worse.
It's good. Good card, though.
Yeah. Ooh, well, I don't like orange. Oh, I'm not allowed to say that.
Debbie says 8:38, so she gave you 2 seconds back.
Oh, thank you. Put the 2025 die over the smudge on the back. Absolutely. You're right, Reagan. I love that idea. Hang on. Coloring in that. So there's a couple other things I want to do to this. So I colored in that. And where is my 2025? It's usual. Usually I have them like right here. Here. Oh, here they are. Oh my gosh. Okay, hang on. I don't know if we have 2025. I have 2022, 2022, 2023, 24. Watch, I bet you I don't have 25. 22. Oh, no, I have 22, 23, and 24 in this one. Well, that is a bust. Go back to one, please. So let's see if I have them anywhere else. Not in this. Oh, wait. 24. You can't make this up. You cannot make it. Hang on, what's this one? Oh, 24.
Just do 8:24 and then I'm going to cross off the floor and write in 5.
Yeah, no, that's weird. And I have those everywhere. Why those are just all going together?
Probably in Honey Bear's tummy.
Oh gosh, don't say that. But that would have been a very good idea. But look, you know what? Seriously, it's the glitter paper that makes it. It is the glitter paper that makes it. Look how gorgeous that is. I absolutely love it. And that is our folded. Now, couple things. Number one thing that I would add to this if I had more time would be a Merry Christmas. Now, let's talk about this.